I'd like to share with you some more interesting tips and settings in 3ds Max. Let's jump right into the first one. It's a very simple trick, but one that many people might have really missed. When we create a circle, most often we know its diameter, less often the radius. However, in 3ds Max, the input field requires the radius, not the diameter, so we usually have to calculate it. And sometimes even dividing by 2 can be a bit inconvenient, for example with a number like 1150. Of course you can use a calculator, but there's an easier way. Just type the value directly into the field and then add /2. 3ds Max will automatically calculate the radius for you, no calculator needed. The second tip is about the interface. You can actually make the scroll bars wider. We all know how annoying it can be to try and click those thin little scroll bars on the tool panels. To fix this, go to Customize, Preferences, find scroll bar size and change it from small to large. Now your scroll bars will be wider and scrolling through tool panels will be much easier. And the third tip for today is about quickly locating textures for imported objects. Here's how it works. Open the folder with your downloaded model in Windows Explorer and copy the path to the textures. Drag the model into the viewport, choose Merge, and you'll notice that the textures aren't loading. Press Shift-T or go to File, Reference, Asset Tracking Toggle. This opens a window with all your textures. Refresh it and you'll see the missing ones. Select them all, right-click, choose Set Path, and paste the copied folder path. If nothing happens right away, go to Views, show Material in Viewport as Shaded Materials with Maps. And that's it. Your textures will now be found and displayed both in the viewport and in the render. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.